Hello, Chef here with some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. What do we have here? We have a sharpening stone on top of my beautiful butcher block. Oh yeah. And at the same time, I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. The sharpening stone. 8,000 grit. This baby's made in Japan. You can't go wrong. I love it. You want to use a lesser grit, I would say, okay, drop it down to a 3,000 or a 1,500. But for quality knives, this is what you need. Here we go. Here's a really nice knife made in Germany. Let's check it out. It's brand new in the box. Let's see just how sharp it is and what's going on with this baby. Okay, this is a Messermeister. It's a German brand. I like it. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. I like the fact it's pretty thick. It's got a nice full tang. It's forged, riveted handles, polished pretty good. This knife will last you forever if you take care of it. So it's brand new. It's sharp, right? Well, let's check it. Piece of paper here. Yeah, it's not that sharp. It's cutting the paper, but not easily. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. The first one is to put the clip on the back of the knife like this. Going to get it through like this right here. This is nice. It doesn't scratch the knife. And this gives me the exact angle I'm looking for. Right there, okay? And then I can follow that angle and repeat through there. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, the sharpening stone should be wet. Well, you're right. It should be wet. So we're going to put a little bit of water right on top like this. Just a little bit. A few drops is all we need. A little bit of water. Okay. Just like that. Now, I've got my angle, and I'm going to go from the back to the front like that. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. Got my angle right there. Okay, I think that knife is sharper. Let's check it out. We're going to wipe it off carefully, very carefully. Okay, no scratches, no damage. It's looking good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper, a little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. And that is the custom-made leather strop. Yeah, you can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now I'm going to check it on the paper. See what we got going on here now. Yep. It's definitely sharper. You can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Score all the products at your sponsor right there. They're having a sale on the knives. You can get the clips, the stones. Leather strop, I love it. I use this constantly on my paring knives, boning knives, pocket knives, fillet knives. Makes a great gift. This is only like 20 bucks, I believe. These are a little more, but they're made to last forever, and they do have a lifetime warranty. These, I think, are like $10, and the stones vary in price. Check it out at your sponsor. Subscribe right there. Smash that like button. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. There's some more cool stuff coming. Always something new coming. And you never know what you never know what the chef's going to share with you next. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. I want to give them a little cleaning. Thought I'd share that with you. This is a really nice block set, and it's a swivel block, so it's kind of cool. You can swivel it to whatever direction you're working in. And that's got a few advantages, and it's not expensive. These are super high quality knives, and you can learn more about them on the sponsor site right there. And I'm all done. Any of these high quality ones, like this little 6-inch chef knife, Granton Edge, perfectly balanced, perfectly shaped, visit your sponsor. They got them on sale. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you customer service if something goes wrong. That's the difference between buying from a small business and buying from a big discounter, big box store. You know who they are. Yeah, they'll want to give you different products, similar products. They take this exact knife and they put 15 other ones right next to it at lower prices, and everybody buys the cheap stuff. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. You want to buy the best the first time you'll have it. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. Yeah. Once again, visit your sponsor for all the cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that like button. Diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find.